Hey, what's up, y'all? This Black Feather. I'm at the Hickory Bird Show. Got my table set up. I got plenty of fences available if anybody need them. Holla at me. I'm about to take y'all on a little trip and show y'all what's going on here. In case some of y'all is wondering about prices. Alright, we got some pretty decent cages for good prices. They're 40% off. So yeah, tons of cages and stuff. It's a pretty little lovebird. Look at this beautiful golden. Super pretty. Cockatiels. Yours. The little books. A lot of diamond doves here. Different mutations. Nice male cockatiel. Real good. They got a lot of Quakers too.
Keep my hand out of the picture.
No, you're fine. You're fine. I like the way the little babies play can do that.
That's why I want a little baby.
Yeah, that's the best way to get them to bond. Yeah.
I have Moluccans, but I want a little bird to snuggle.
Yeah, there you go. Really pretty macaws right there. Really pretty budgies in there. These little zebras. Some younger babies. Some more Quakers. Alright. So they got these really cool regular birds. How y'all? Alright, I know y'all probably ain't too interested in cages and perches and stands, so I'm not gonna go through that like that. We'll slide down this side.
She is an escape artist. There you go, guys. Round away. That snap really isn't big enough, but it works. It's on. Oh, wait, I put it on. It doesn't matter. On here. Yeah, that's true. We can push it up. So I'll just switch around on here. Okay. All right. Down now. Now they're
That's awesome. Heck yeah.
We also have another nice pair over here that throw like these white babies, and then the other babies kind of look like them all mixed up.
Oh,
These
yeah.
two aren't tame, but the babies
Right.
that you have,
You can make
see
it
them
for
nice
sure.
and tame.
Very nice. Just some more finches. Black cheeks are nice. Sure. Oh yeah, oh yeah. A little bit of YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, all that. Appreciate y'all. Alright, look like we're down to some cockatiels here. Very nice. Now, button quail that nobody has around here except these guys. See if I can get a good. There we go. Very good. You never see these doves anywhere.
There's a pair and I don't know.
Oh yeah,
The baby that's still got fuzz on it.
right. That one right there.
Yeah, we can't tell yet. The other two ones are pale ones.
Gotcha.
They're not happy in this cold.
Yeah, I know it.
That's definitely there.
Cool.
The emeralds, all the emeralds, the males have black tail.
Uh-huh.
Males, brown tail.
Gotcha. Yeah, I've never seen emerald doves before. They're nice. Cute, yes, ma'am. Now we got some canaries. Pretty red factors, and we got some boobians up here. Yeah, somebody donate some money so I can get me some golden finches. I can't afford it. Oh, we got these really pretty English budgies. Check these guys out. Really nice society. So very pretty. Them red ones are really pretty too. Now here are some new presentations that I want. All the toys your birds could want right here.
You know how that goes. Yeah. We have lots and lots of toys.
Oh yeah, you do. You really do.
We make all of them from scratch.
I see that. I'm like, yeah, these look. That's the best way to do it.
Yep. Everything came from my mind.
Cool. That's awesome.
The only stuff I have back here is costumes. And the mustache parakeets will look like that when they get older.
Oh yeah,
The
that's a
little ones that
little
are in there.
mustache.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what
yeah.
they look like.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Nice little bird. Do you 3D print these?
Made them all myself.
That's awesome.
Somebody had a breeder for like 15 or 15 that they were selling.
Yeah, this is really
When I
nice.
had seen it first. These are $10 or $10.
Cool, cool.
He was a breeder.
Yeah, that's so cool. That gray clicker right there. I'm definitely want one of them.
She's 2 years old. She's a baby. She's 2 years old.
See if I can get the camera in focus. No, you're alright. You're fine. You're fine. Such pretty little birds.
Oh, look at this. Oh my God. Oh.
The little baby. Now this is a really unique setup. Look at the size of that airplane. And all of these betta fish, it's only like $2 each. Look at all these bettas in there. All the females. cages. A couple of these cages I'll be interested in. Like those are really nice. These Nandays. Really nice. Then we have this little bit left. Hey, buddy. Alright, and that's pretty much what they have going on here today at this bird show. Some really cool birds here. Alright, so that was the bird show here in Hickory. If you like content like this, please subscribe, like the video, comment how you feel about the show, all that good stuff. I highly appreciate it. Peace, y'all.